Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press Restart Console on Xbox. When you choose to restart your Xbox, the system performs a soft reboot. This means it will shut down all running applications and clear out any temporary data that might be causing issues. It's a quick way to refresh your console's operating system without affecting your installed games, apps, or personal settings. Think of it as giving your Xbox a quick, refreshing nap. When you initiate a restart, your Xbox console goes through a brief power cycle. It essentially turns itself off and then immediately back on, but without completely wiping its memory. This action is designed to refresh the console's operating system and clear out any lingering processes that might be consuming resources or causing instability. It's a very effective first step for troubleshooting common issues like frozen screens or unresponsive menus, often taking less than 1 minute to complete. It's important to understand that restarting your Xbox is not the same as performing a factory reset. A restart will absolutely not delete your installed games, applications, or any of your precious saved game data. Your personal settings, profiles, and account information will all remain exactly as you left them. This means you can confidently restart your console without any fear of losing your progress or having to reinstall everything from scratch, making it a very low-risk troubleshooting step. You should consider restarting your Xbox console whenever you encounter minor glitches or performance issues. For example, if a game freezes, an app isn't launching correctly, or you're experiencing slight network hiccups, a quick restart can often resolve these problems. It's also a good practice to restart your console after a major system update to ensure all new features and fixes are properly integrated. This simple action can save you time and frustration, getting you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.